Cardom.
It's a rare inherited eye condition which eventually causes severe tunnel vision, scientists say.
Which means his central vision is largely a blur. Since his right eye was treated a year ago,
tablets, computers. Most kids have access to at least one of these daily.
Lasi vision crisis itum India long nonai le pola ke vision crisis lasi suppose sami tum kachere ke nang sot itum long lanam te anu tin sami non ma ke smart men chenglok pin an non sami tum long sami amek a glass ka thonum sik onglo as ke wipot la so bangke so lan sami tum dak pini bang itum science engineer mane itum long amek alam situm na thana po plus itum long amek henu dabrelo kon ane atai comment sami han sami tum long laki si vision crisis posi tum long da India long nai le
In college days, chashmish bulate the, so I wouldn't actually prefer. But after a certain point of age, by 16 or 17, I started wearing.
Since they are spending so much of time in front of the computer, so that puts strain on the eye. You see, there's an entity called as pseudomyopia.
Okay, pura root cause ang ton si chop cherab lap la si tumong dak first chinia la si vision crisis taki India long ke isi myopia po ke so si tumong so ke so sing dang bom lo ke isi
Short-sighted, that's according to new research. The study published in the British Journal of Ophthalmology examined data from 5 million children and teenagers in 50 countries. It showed a dramatic increase in cases of myopia over the last 30 years.
Itum long so pot bang itulong myopia po ake solo so bang ke yang dang bom lo atemne tum long ke short distance example na ate bok lang ong tela so bor khelo lang te di mane charim po ate bok lang na chadak kwa dungon tebe angko khelo lang te nang charim la sona si myopia po kisu bangai la si so itum long amek lo di mane asa o ding chate ti po so bang according to science statement te
myopia or nearsightedness is where the distance between the cornea and the retina is too long. Light rays focus in front of the retina instead of on it. With myopia, close objects will look clearer, but distant objects will appear blurred.
Lasi itumong langam de dak resources to teng de dak 23% an ma ke dak school smart ma ke la support bank ke suffering pusi pule tumong all over India tumong langam de dak 23% asu mar bank ke la ke do wek lo so ke so bank ke pusi dak tum research teng men some long nam lasi so na teng ben dong si tumong wang bom politi 2015 ma ke India long ma ke pura totally la support itumong crisis pusi pule tumong la ice crisis same aja tumang seme pula ke si genetic problem lo pusi pun tumong ke purial si same tumong chosma do jado समय बहुत समय लासो genetic bang ke directly tumong change tone il hai bang ke especially bang ke tumong la mobile kelang ben समय cheng lok lo la si la lo min bang ke aim study tum research kuri tam teng bol de dak Delhi long la dak up John person an समय la tum research kuri ang bong ben समय la up John ang moment ke in numai nut ke la dak ke glass ke chulokai fake lo possible so student teng ben समय la pen south pen north east bang ong lit ong lo la da bang ke si bang ni ma bang thom so mar pen la check lo dak in numai nut ke glass thon bang ke do fake lo possible akola depe tumlang lam te dake late night aju mek yang there hai an sami so problems be do si lapen Andhra Pradesh long sami 2024 sami da public study tuma teng bel te dak 1600 student an sami al tum research kuri ma teng men bolte da bang 6.55 student an make pura chosma je thona ma se pula la ke make 947 student an make pura myopia ke so pe isi connection se pulo la tum an sami isi glass bang ke chulogai nang kokti besi research kuri ma teng men del tum study nam public study ben sami kuri am lo lapen so possible tum research sami long near work itu no adung kam claim computer bear pen chenglok pen tum long la full screen kelang adung lo kam tum no khelu sami vision kuri re hong tepte hamar ching kam lu jula son me an sami tum long so kisu bang tum long sami a chance thepi ke long nei mang ke asi lalo main reason manga corneal pen ke retina rim lo focus devin sami la suppose me focus amon ete ti bang ke la so reason lo ete tum amek bang ke sab sub ding pong sami je plan focus ong se habits do kok pasla dung only focus cholo akhilon me focus on ete ti first manga tum lo retinal detachment second manga tum lo glaucoma la pen si bang permanent vision loss la hai an sami tum lo dolo la pen always screen new focus adapted no na generation mange always focus it long screen also penals me don't focus that in la silalo la se super me tum long ka famous tang ko positive so son man bangala sino poor post structure mane ke do pa me ka ke la hain me tum long do ball pen si mange reading in low light itum long ke charlie puron jat me tum long di a light ki cover de dim no tum charlie am patel high touch me la so kisu pho la pen si mange tum long lack of proper sleep tum me yang long pa me ka ke ben se me so kisu bang se me tum long emek long se me tum long so solutions ko vi pila tum long dak china ma mane ko so si tum chpa jok pol hai kisung men se me according to World Health Organization sa teng pen polte tum long dak 3 ta mane 4 ta tum long rules so so rule tum china ma First, according to World Health Organization, sumateng mate 20 rules it no follow nang po posipulo. That's the first rule banget 20 minutes an make screen times chibinang po lapen 20 second an lobte lo asa o break chenang po bis itumno 20 minute an choklo bute. Ladet pen lote itumno sami 20 feet an sami lang tunang po. Angko 20 feet an tumno lang thulu bute tumno 2 khon tabang ye pura tuteli tumno